Hi guys, so today I did a portrait. I didn't have a model or a photo to look at when I was doing this drawing. I basically did it from my mind. So I don't know who this person is. I mean, she's no one, just somebody who is just made up in my mind. So I tried my best to follow the technique that I once used. I mean, it's a long time ago that I did a portrait, but I have some recollection of what I should do. However, I made some mistakes along the way. Can you identify the mistakes? I Any suggestions on what I could have done differently? So I was trying to fix her eyes and to make it more proportional to match her face. It took some time. Yeah. I had to go over the eyebrows as well and the mouth area and the nose. The nose was not perfect either. It needs some more work. But let me know what are your thoughts in getting this to look better to match a realistic human. However, with art, it doesn't have to be realistic. You can have a different way of expressing or showing a person. So it's based on you and what you want to achieve. I was trying to get a realistic look, even though I did not use a model or a photo to do the drawing. So I probably could have next time use a model or a photo, because this affected me in the end when I was starting to painting. Oh, and as I mentioned paint, I lost my footage on when I was painting this portrait. So I don't have it to insert it in this video, but I do have photos of the end result or what it looks like. When I was painting also, I didn't have brown paint, so I had to mix the paint. In that process, I would have had a little issue in getting the correct tone that I needed. And then without having a photo or a model to look at in terms of getting the right light and shade to match what a realistic person would look like, I didn't have that, so I didn't get the shade correctly or the light in terms of the shade and the dark. But next time I will try to do better. So give me your suggestion, hit it in the comment section, and I will definitely look at it. I thank you for your comments in advance and your suggestion for me to improve on my skills. Thank you. Bye.